So, to sum it up, I got here and everything was working previously. I just cleaned the coil. And the complaint was the screen was blank. So, what'd she do? The tenant took the cover off, didn't realize there was batteries in it, saw a disconnected blue wire and figured, oh, I must hook that up. So she hooked it up, boom, it killed the air, killed the heat too. So I came here, I checked power, noticed that I had no power anywhere, and immediately I thought a fuse. And sure enough, that's it. You can see that fuse was blown. So always carry some 3-amp fuses with you when you go to these trouble calls, because a lot of times that's all it is. Of course, I mean, usually when people install Nest thermostats, that's what they're known for this. But also, look at this. They built a closet here. I had to bring my own ladder. That ladder can't come down anymore, and this, yeah, what a mess. But Nest thermostats are notorious for people blowing these fuses. Like, I would say more than half. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if that's what she was trying to do. She seems kind of tech savvy, so she could have been trying to put a Nest on. Oops, the heat stopped working. I'll put the thermostat back the way it was. You know, you don't know. But again, this woman seems very, very, nice and friendly, and so I don't have any problem just charging her for a new fuse and my time, and that's it. Now I got to put all this shit back up.